Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Hello everybody, hello, welcome to John on a Bike and welcome to St Mary's Lighthouse in the background. Me and Katie.
Hi everybody.
Are here at St Mary's Lighthouse on the coast. It looks a pretty decent day actually. It was a bit cloudy and murky this morning when we set off, wasn't it? A bit miserly.
So.
But as we're getting here, it's gotten brighter and brighter. It's not dead warm, it's about 12 degrees, something like that. But we're looking forward to a decent ride today on the first folding bike ride of the year, isn't it?
It is.
First folding bike ride of 2024. But first of all, I'd like to give a shout out to our sponsor, Outdoor Master.
Outdoor Master was founded in 2015 and is the leading sporting goods brand in America. They are an official sponsor to the US ski team and supply everything from beach tents to stand-up paddle boards. Plus, of course, cycling equipment, such as the excellent Gem bike helmet with MIPS that was reviewed on this channel. You can also find some excellent sports cycling sunglasses, all at very affordable prices. Please check out their website as it helps to support this channel. Plus there is a generous 10% discount when using the code in the description.
So this route leads from St Mary's Lighthouse car park along to, where's it go, Katie?
Blyth.
Blyth.
Yeah, we've never been before.
Yeah, we've never been.
It's new for us.
It is a new ride, yeah. It is new, a complete new route, this one for us. But yeah, big thank you to Outdoor Master for sponsoring this video. I've even got their helmet on, look. Brilliant helmet, really comfy helmet. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link in the description, you can have check that out. But yeah, so this is a very first time we've ever done this route. We've been through Whitley Bay here a few times, haven't we, Katie? But we usually go
this way.
Yeah, we usually go the other way. We don't usually come this way, so we've gone the opposite direction this time. Try something new, a new route. We'll see what it's like. See if it's any good. How are you doing, Katie? You alright?
Yeah, first time out in 6 or 7 months.
Yeah. First time in 2024, isn't it?
First time in 2024. I'm only a fair weather cyclist.
Aye, but doesn't matter.
I don't cycle over the winter.
No, that's true. But doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You'll still get the hang of the game, won't you?
Yeah.
Once you've been off for a while. Haven't been off for a while. Once you get out a few times, you get used to it again. So far, it's a nice little route, isn't it?
It is.
Only been going a short while, but so far it's all right.
Pretty.
It is pretty. But you can see up there to your left, there's the main road, and we're just pedalling probably half a mile away. What do you say from the main road? Something like that, yeah. Very pretty, isn't it?
Oh, it's a lighthouse.
Yeah, it looks good mate, isn't it? That's a cracking view, folks. Look at that. We've never been here, Kate, before. We've never seen this view.
Not from this angle.
Yeah. Didn't know that little beach was even there. You can see St Mary's Lighthouse in the background there. Discover new things all the time. And how many times have we been to Whitley Bay?
Loads.
Absolutely loads. The first time we've ever seen it. So yeah, very nice. We've just discovered that we could get free parking here.
Yeah.
Which is like, what, half a mile that way? We went on the track.
£3 though.
That was £3, this would have been free. There you go. Live and learn, don't you? We're just coming down beside the road here, as you can see. Proper cycle path though. We think it's Seaton Sluice, don't we? Seaton Sluice, we think. I know it's a bizarre name, that. Seaton Sluice. It's kind of a horrible name, really, isn't it?
I'll show you at the bottom why it's called that.
Yeah. There's a reason behind that name, isn't there? But yeah, we've got a proper cycle path here, folks, look. And how long is this, Katie?
How long's what?
This track.
All the way to Blyth, 6 miles, I think.
Is it 6 miles, is it? So it's 6 miles if we go all the way down to Blyth. As you can see, we've got a proper little cycle track. Way, fantastic. You what, sorry?
We don't go all the way down on this, we come off.
We'll come off this, do we? Alright, right. I'm following Katie's lead today. Katie seems to know where she's going today. Katie's the Katie Navi, yeah. That's what we used to say to Katie years ago before I'd sat nav, when the kids were still at home. Is we used to call her Katie now because she was so good at reading maps in the car. She was fantastic, weren't you? She was extremely good at reading maps. So we think this is the reason why the name for sluice, don't we? Seaton Sluice, because of the water outlet here, or inlet. Heading out to the sea in the background there. Got the sand dunes on the right, and then we're heading down this way. So come off the side of the path now and we're going down. This is alright, isn't it? Yeah. Is this brand new? Yeah. Feels like it. Feels like a new surface, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks like they've redone it though.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
It's the old one underneath.
Yeah. It's alright, isn't it? It's quite smooth to ride on. Good surface. You can see the sea now, look. See the sea and we see Katie behind us. Looking as glamorous as ever. This is a nice route, Katie, isn't it? So far it's good, isn't it? Yeah. So far it's very good. Very good. Just got past another set of toilets back there. Very important. But yeah. Looks like this has been redone, the surface. We haven't been down this before, but it looks like a new surface. Eve Blackway, share with care. So we're still on the cycle path here, look, up the side. Yeah. That's a nice route, mind it? Katie thinks it might get pretty busy when it's when the kids are off, don't you?
Yeah, I think it gets really busy when the kids are off, because it's right next to the beach.
Yeah, but it is a nice route though, isn't it, so far? It's just a little undulating, would you say? Yeah. Little bumps and lumps, but not very strenuous, not too hard. I mean, Katie hasn't been out since last...
For about 6 or 7 months.
6 or 7 months. You're alright at the moment, aren't you? So yeah, you'll be able to manage it. There's a crow gonna go in the bin, look, you see. Debating it. Debating it. Gonna wait till we've gone. Gonna go in the bin.
Free parking here, look.
Yeah, free parking here as well, yeah. Well, we slipped up there, didn't we?
Oh, we'll know next time.
We'll know.
Park further along.
Yeah, yeah. So as you can see there, the track undulates all over the place, up and down, twisting round and round. You can see there in the distance how it's winding around. Like Kate just said, that reminds of a BMX track, doesn't it?
From years ago.
Yeah, from years ago, BMX track. And it is like that actually. You've got these little ramps, little bumps up, little flat bits, curves round. It's fantastic. It's a good track, this, a really good track. And it's a good surface too, whatever they've used. It's like some kind of flat little gravel, isn't it? So it's very smooth to ride on. Oh look, we've got a sculpture.
There's the back, there's the head.
Oh, that's good. I like that. That is great, that. Yeah. Like that. So we've just come to a junction here. England Coast Cycle Path, Eve Blackway, where we've come along. Seaton Sluice there, look. And this is Blyth, Kit, isn't it? Yeah, I've just been actually talking to a nice lad on a bike, really nice bloke. And we're heading down that way, Kit, aren't we? But here we've got some kind of battery, some kind of gun battery, if you can see in the distance there. See the gun sticking out where Kit is just going? There we go. Big guns them. Good size of them. It's a replica, is it? Replica showing you the guns. And as you can see, we're right on the front. At Blyth. Oh yeah, there's a lighthouse right in the distance there where we set off. You did see it right on the top of the horizon there, with the ships in the background. And then we've got the looks like a dockyard or something over there, doesn't it? The Blyth docks. And then we've got these two guns here, one there, here, and one there, which is obviously replicas of what used to be here during the war. Oh, look at these huts. These are lovely, aren't they? But they're expensive though, eh? That's something we've noticed in the kit when we've been around anywhere. When we've been down south, we've seen beach huts. They're absolute fortune, aren't they? So for some reason. I mean, those ones you saw, where was it at? They were like 30 grand each? Yeah. Where was that?
And it was basically weren't as nice as that. They weren't new ones. Like
no,
this.
they weren't new.
An old shed.
Yeah, old sheds, and they're about 30 grand down south somewhere. They're ridiculous price, yeah. Well, we've got the necessaries here. We've got the important stuff. Are we kidding? Yeah. Oh, bad influence, aren't I?
Very bad influence.
Yeah, bad influence. Yeah. I had no chance of getting any chips actually. We had some well, a couple of little sandwiches before we set off, didn't we? Came along, saw the chip shop, smelled chips, thought, yeah, got some chips. This flag has to come in at the Skylighters Searchlight site, also known as Lighthouse Farm. So was it, what did you say, kid? It was a US Army?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, is it dedicated to the 827 men and officers of the 225th Anti-Aircraft Artillery Searchlight Battalion of the US Army who were deployed. Ooh, didn't know that, did you? No. Didn't know that. So these buildings behind you, you can see on the top, them shutters rolled back and there's searchlights in there. Pretty cool. We think we're coming in the path up this way. Now we're going to head back down again. As you can see, good view of the beach here. You're going to get a pebble, Katie. Get a pebble. Katie wants to go and get a pebble. As a memento. It's a very friendly people up here, mind. We've met a few people now, very friendly. And even people walking on the path when we ring the bells are very, very friendly, aren't they, Katie? Very friendly. You can see it's a very rocky beach here, look. Very rocky. This is quite unusual actually for around here, Katie, isn't it? Because the beach is usually very sandy. Do you know what I think it is, Katie? You know what I think people are friendly when you're out? It's these bikes. Yeah. I do honestly. I think it's these bikes. These bikes, people find them like, I don't know, less intimidating, don't they?
Yeah.
And because they're very, yeah, the small bikes and they're cute and sort of funny, a little bit quirky, I should say. And people are just less sort of fussed by you, aren't they? Don't seem to get people annoyed, if you like, that you're going past them. And even the lady said today, what did she say? I want a bike like that. Yeah. I want a small bike like that.
So the tide's in, so St Mary's Lighthouse is all cut off. I'm going to take you down to see the beach. Everybody, we're going to the beach. I've just abandoned John at the top. Yeah, you can't get your bike down here. And the sea's, so it's not as stony now. How pretty is that? We went to have a look at the sea.
It's a nice beach down there.
It's pretty, go and have a look.
See, it looks sandy from here. So we're heading back down Eve, was it Eve Track or something? Black Eve Track, what a strange name. We've got the wind behind us now. Is it better with the wind behind you, Katie? It was only a slight breeze today, but still, it's nice to be behind you rather than in front of you. So we're coming back into Seaton Sluice now, Katie, isn't it? Come back to Seaton Sluice. Say scream van there, Katie. Okay, scream. Come back to Seaton Sluice here, as you can see, where we came through earlier. We're coming off the front of Seaton Sluice and we're heading back down to the gravel track again, which heads back down towards the lighthouse. Yeah, that's a good view of the St Mary's Lighthouse there. Very good view. We saw a seal there, didn't we, Katie? A baby seal a few years back, just sitting on the rocks. We thought it was dead actually. We were there with the kids and we thought it was dead. It was just asleep. And of course we left it alone, obviously. Coastal path here. Back down towards where the car's at. It's a really good view here. Nearly at the end. We are only a few hundred yards off the car park now. Just stopped here to finish the video off. We're not sure how far we've done, have we?
No, we'll put on the
I'll put it on the video, on the top of the video. I'm guessing probably about 8, 9 miles, 10 miles, something like that. 12. 12, you think?
Yeah.
I'm saying, we've no idea, so I'm saying 8 and Katie's saying 12, so I'll put it on the top.
Like 20.
Yeah, it's the first ride out, so yeah, Katie's tired now. But it's been a good ride. It's been a good track. It's a good track, isn't it?
It's a good track.
It's a good route.
Definitely recommend
Yeah,
it.
yeah, it's a very, very good route. Definitely recommend it. It's been really good. It's been a good day out. So as always, thank you very much for everybody for joining us. Obviously, keep tuned on the channel for more rides on the phone bike, because we're definitely doing more, won't we? Got a lot more routes planned, and we've got a book with some new routes in them which you can use. So yeah, so we'll definitely come more on the phone bike. So take care of yourselves. It's goodbye from me.
Bye everybody.
Bye from Katie. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.